Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We're 4 O'Clock Shadow, and today we're going to talk about key signatures.
No, that's not what we mean by a key signature in music.
When we talk about key signatures in music, we are referring to the groups of sharps or flats placed right after the clef symbol. The flats or sharps indicates which pitches need to be raised or lowered throughout the piece of music.
There are 12 different key signatures, and each come in a specific order.
One easy way to think about it is to think about baseball.
In baseball, after a batter hits a ball, he starts running from home plate. Similarly, in music, melodies start on do or tonic. The melody will move to different pitches, kinda like a baseball player runs to different bases.
Key signatures are a way for musicians to change the pitch of do or tonic.
For example, let's think about the key of C. In the key of C, C is do. C is home bass. If we add one sharp, we change home bass to G. Now G is home bass.
Imagine key signatures are kind of like someone picking up home plate and putting it in another place.
To use another example, let's imagine the key of C again. This time let's add one flat to the key signature. That makes the F do, or home bass.
But how do you know what the new do or home bass is? Each group of sharps or flats indicate a specific key. Here's how you find out where do is.
You will always see sharps on the staff in this order: F, C, G, D, A, E, B.
In order to find sharp keys on a piece of music, you look at the last sharp symbol on the staff. Then you go up half step from that note to find the new do.
So if you have 3 sharps on a staff, they'd be F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Since G sharp is the last sharp in the order, you have to go up half a step from G sharp to find the new do, which is A. So with 3 sharps, A is do.
Suppose you have 5 sharps on a staff. According to the order of sharps, you have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. Up 1 half step from A sharp is B. So when there are 5 sharps, B is the new do.
You can find all the sharp keys by remembering to go up a half step from the last sharp on the staff.
Now let's talk about flat keys. You'll always see flats in this order: B, E, A, D, G, C, F. You can remember this order by thinking of Bede, go call Frank.
In order to find a flat key, you look at the flats presented on the staff, go to the second to last flat to find the key.
For example, if there are 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat, the second to last flat is E flat, and that is also the key. So, with 3 flats, E flat is do.
The only flat key you have to just know is when there is only 1 flat, in which case the key is F.
Now that you know how to find the key signatures, let's talk about why you'd use them.
Because key signatures change where do is, they also change where a song sits on an instrument or singer's range. Sometimes certain melodies are too high or too low for certain ensembles to perform.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back. So let's root for the home team. If there's no win, it's a shame.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, 'cause it's root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame, 'cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
So let's root.
If we changed the keys of those songs, Josh and David probably wouldn't have had as hard a time with singing them. That's why key signatures are so useful. They make music more accessible to all kinds of instruments and voices.
3 strikes, you're out of the order.